And so far we discussed about exact differential equations, linear differential equations, DE reducible to linear differential equations according to your syllabus. And next part is differential equation reducible to exact differential equation, and that can be done by the use of a function called integrating factor. Can you tell me the purpose of integrating factor? How we'll be using integrating factor to solve a given differential equation?
Where it converts a non-exact differential equation to exact.
Right. So we use integrating factor to transform a non-exact differential equation to exact differential equation. Okay. And how to find out the different integrating factor? It depends on the type of the differential equation. And already we have seen one type of differential equation which is linear. And in general, linear differential equation is a non-exact differential equation. And so we computed integrating factor as e power integral p dx. Okay. With the help of that integrating factor, we solved linear differential equations. Okay. Now we'll see some other types of non-exact equations. Okay, which has integrating factors. Okay, and using those integrating factors, we'll be solving the some more differential equations. Okay, so I'll be sharing the screen. So we were in third unit, and this is what we were discussing, type 6 integrating factors. Okay, so let me add some pages. Okay. So what is the purpose of integrating factor? Integrating factor we use whenever the differential equation is a non-exact differential equation. If it is a non-exact differential equation, if there exists a function xi such that xi m into dx plus xi n into dy equal to 0. How this equation is obtained? By multiplying this equation both sides with xi. Xi m dx plus xi n dy equal to xi into 0 is 0. Xi n dx plus xi n dy equal to 0. And after multiplying this function to this differential equation, if this non-exact differential equation becomes exact, then this function is said to be an integrating factor of the given differential equation. And there we have seen some special types of non-exact equations for which there are formulas to compute the integrating factors. Okay, and so if it is a homogeneous equation and non-exact, if it is okay, all these are all non-exact equations. Only for non-exact equations we are trying to find out an integrating factor. If the equation is an exact equation, no need to go for the integrating factor. Okay, so if it is a homogeneous form, then 1 by mx plus ny is going to be the integrating factor. If you can rewrite the differential equation in the form y into f of x by dx plus x into g of x by dy equal to 0, then integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. And if you can compute 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, if this simplification gives purely function of x, then e power integral f of x dx is going to be an integrating factor. Okay, and our linear differential equation, we observed that it is a type 6.3. Okay, so if you rewrite the linear differential equation mdx plus ndy equal to 0 form and computed this, we observed this that outcome is purely function of x, which is p of x. Therefore integral p of x dx become the integrating factor. Similarly, if 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y equal to function of y, okay, then integrate e power integral g of y dy is going to be the integrating factor. Okay, there are like this, there may be some other types also, but mainly we will be seeing these types of problems. Okay, so what we'll do, initially we'll be doing one or two problems under each type. After covering all the four types, I will randomly give some differential equation. You check whether it is exact or not. If exact, solve it. If it is not exact, then identify the suitable integrating factor and then use it to solve the differential equation. Okay, so take the problems. Okay, so so take the first problem. Solve x square y minus x cube plus y cube minus x cube plus y cube of dy equal to 0 of dy equal to 0. By looking at this differential equation, what is your first observation? What type of the differential equation is it is looking like? There is a mistake here, x square y dx. What type of differential equation it is?
Homogeneous.
Homogeneous. Both m and n are homogeneous functions of degree 3. If both m and n are homogeneous functions of same degree, then the d is said to be homogeneous differential equation. Okay. So here, what is m? X square y and n equal to minus x cube minus y cube. Okay. First you check whether the d is exact or not. So dou m by dou, what is dou m by dou y? X square. What is dou n by dou x? Dou n by dou x is differentiating with respect to x minus 3x square. So you compare these two. Are these two same? Dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. So from this, what is your conclusion?
Non-exactly.
So it is non-exact differential equation. Okay, when it is not exact, then we'll try to find out an integrating factor which will convert a given non-exact to exact differential equation. So what could be an integrating factor? Since the given DE, since the given DE is a homogeneous DE, what could be the integrating factor? According to the previous discussion, for a homogeneous differential equation, integrating factor could be in the form 1 by mx plus ny. So, so use that formula to compute integrating factor mx plus ny. What is m here? M is x square y. So x square y into x plus n. What is n? N is minus x cube minus y cube into y. Simplify this. What is the simplification? X cube y minus x cube y will get cancelled. What is the simplification? Minus 1 by y power 4. Do you agree? Now what is the next step? Once you get the integrating factor,
Multiply it on both sides.
multiply the given differential equation with minus 1 by y power 4. Okay, so star into minus 1 by y power 4 implies. So what is this? M is x square y. Okay, so I'll write one more step, minus 1 by y power 4 into x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube dy equal to 0. So this implies that then minus x square by y cube dx plus x cube plus y cube by y power 4 dy equal to 0, which is an exact. If you want, you can verify. Okay, by checking dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x for the new differential equation. So this is x square by y cube dx plus, what is the simplification? Can I write it as x cube y power 4 plus 1 by y? Can I write like this? Okay, therefore what is the general solution? Because it is exact differential equation, integrating the function minus x square by y cube with respect to x by treating y as constant, plus take the terms of n not containing x. Which term not containing x? The second term. Take this term and integrate with respect to y. So 1 by y dy is equal to constant. So what is integration of x square? Minus x cube by 3y cube plus log y equal to constant. Is this clear to all of you? Initially, we identified that it is a homogeneous differential equation. Then we checked for exactness. We identified that it is not an exact differential equation. Therefore, we computed the suitable integrating factor. Then we multiplied integrating factor to the differential equation. Then that non-exact becomes exact. Once it is exact, apply the formula for the general solution of exact differential equation. Then obtain the general solution. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed? Okay, so take one more problem. So if it is like this, y square dx square dx plus x square minus xy minus y square dy equal to 0. X square minus xy minus y square dy equal to 0. Okay, so what is your next first step? Check whether it is exact or not. Okay. Find out dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. What is dou m by dou y? 2y. What is dou n by dou x? Dou n by dou x is 2x minus y, because you are differentiating with respect to x means y to be treated as constant. Derivative of a constant is 0, x derivative is 1, x square derivative is 2x. Now you can see dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. This implies that, call this as some equation, call this star. Star is not an exact thing. So when it is not exact, again we'll try to find out the integrating factor. Okay, now again what type of differential equation it is?
Homogeneous.
Homogeneous. So when it is homogeneous, again integrating factor is 1 by mx plus n. Okay, so find out that. Okay, but the given d is homogeneity. Therefore, integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny is equal to 1 by, what is m here? Y square into x plus n. What is n? X square minus xy minus y square into y. What is the simplification? Which one you will get? Which one gets cancelled? Xy square minus xy square gets cancelled. Therefore, you will get x square minus y square into y. Do you agree? Is this the integrating factor? So once you get the integrating factor, multiply the given differential equation with the integrating factor square minus y square into y. Then what do you get? Okay. So when I divide with this x square minus y square into y, you will get a y square by x square minus y square into y dx plus x square minus xy minus y square by x square minus y square into y dy equal to 0. How do you simplify this? X square y by x square minus y square dx plus can you rewrite this equation in such a way that you get an independent term of x? How can I rewrite this term? Can you suggest? Can you get a term which contains only y without containing any x term
1 by
or
y.
not? How can I rewrite this? I can rewrite it as x square minus y square minus xy by x square minus y square into y. Am I right? So when I write one more step, simplifies it y by x square minus y square dx plus, so I can cancel out x square by minus y square, x square minus y square. So you'll get 1 by y, 1 by y minus. So when you separate the terms, then it's going to be x by x square minus y square dy, which is an exact differential equation. Okay. Therefore, what is the general solution? General solution is integrating by x square minus y square with respect to x and take the terms of n not containing x. Which term is not containing x? 1 by y. Integrate that with respect to y equal to constant. Now tell me the integration of 1 by, so y, because you are integrating with respect to x, y to be treated as constant. What is integration of 1 by x square minus y square?
1 by 2a log x minus y by x plus 1.
Right. So this is 1 by, so y to be treated as constant, so 1 by 2y log x minus y by x plus 1. Okay, plus, okay, log c, okay, because log y, log y, okay, because both are containing logarithm functions. Instead of c I can write it as log c. So what is the simplification then? Log of x plus y, sorry, x minus y by x plus y whole power 1 by to log c. Y gets cancelled here, right? So this is log of y into x minus y by x plus y whole power 1 by 2 is equal to log c, or y into root of x minus y is equal to c into root of x plus y. Okay, or you can say y square into x minus y equal to c square into x plus. Is this clear? So the process is same. After finding the general solution, we just simplified one more time. Okay. Shall I proceed? Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Third one. x square by sorry y into I'll write like this: x square y cube plus 2y dx plus 2x minus 2x cube y square 2x cube y square dy equal to 0. dy equal to 0. So what is your first task? To check whether the d is exact or not. X square y cube plus 2y n is equals to 2x minus 2x cube y square. Always remember, m is coefficient of dx, n is coefficient of dy. So what is dou m by dou y? Dou m by dou y is differentiating m with respect to y. What is that? 3x square y square 3x square y square 3x square y square plus 2. What is dou n by dou x? 2 minus 6x square y square. And you can see these two are not equal. These two are not equal. Therefore, dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Means what? The given d is non-exact. Okay, so when it is non-exact differential equation, we are trying to find out an integrating factor. Is this homogeneous? Is this homogeneous V?
No.
It is not homogeneous. Why it is not homogeneous D? Because m and n are not homogeneous functions. Do you agree? They are not homogeneous functions. Okay. So it is not homogeneous. Therefore, 1 by mx plus ny integrating factor formula you cannot apply because it is not a homogeneous differential equation. So if it is not 6.1, try to see if it is in 6.2. Can you rewrite it as a 6.2? What is 6.2? Can you rewrite the differential equation as y into function of xy dx plus x into another function of xy dy? Xy itself is a product variable. Can we rewrite like that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If I take y common, x square y square plus 2. If I take x common, 2 minus 2 x square y square. X square y square can be written as xy whole square. X square y square can be written as xy whole square. So that is looking like a type 2 differential equation. Okay, so we'll write in the next page. So but the given DE can be expressed as if I take y common, what do you get? If I take y common, x square y square plus 2 plus if I take x common, 2 minus sorry, there is a mistake, dx I should write. Okay, so dx, and if I take x common, 2 minus 2x square y square dy equal to 0. So how can I rewrite this? Y into xy whole square plus 2 dx plus x into 2 minus 2 into xy whole square dy equal to 0. So it is in the form y into function of xy dx plus x into another function of xy dy equal to 0. So we are able to rewrite the given DE as type 6.2. Therefore, what is integrating factor?
One by
Equal to 1 by mx minus n, right? What is m here? M is coefficient of dx. What is coefficient of dx? X square y cube plus 2y into y. M into x. M into x. Okay. So m into x minus n. What is n? N is 2x minus 2x cube y square into y. So 1 by mx minus n. Please simplify this. What is the simplification you tell me?
by 3x cube y cube.
1 by 3x cube y cube. 1 by 3x cube y cube. Okay. So once you get the integrating factor, your next task is to multiply the given differential equation with the integrating factor. That non-exact becomes exact. So what is the given differential equation? M is x square y cube plus 2y divided by 3 into x cube y cube dx. Okay. Next plus 2x minus 2x cube y square divided by 3x cube y cube dy equal to 0, which will become exact. So once it is exact, you can find out the general solution. Okay. Now can I multiply both sides with 3? This 3 does not affect the differential equation, no, because dou x of constant equal to dou by dou x of constant. Constant can be taken out, constant can be taken out outside. Okay. So that means to say that not only 1 by 3 into x cube y cube is integrating factor. In fact, 1 by 1 by x cube y cube also an integrating factor. Constant is not going to affect really. If there is a constant multiple, you can ignore that constant multiple also, because anyway you will be cancelling that constant multiple in the differential equation. Do you understand this point? Any constant multiple of an integrating factor also can be will be an integrating factor. Is this okay? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
please respond. Okay, so then so after removing 3, then what is the simplification here? How can I simplify this? Y cube gets cancelled. Okay, so 1 by x plus uh, 2 by 2 by 3. 3 gets cancelled, no, we cancelled 3, so 2 by x cube y square, into dx plus, and here when I x cancel, 2 by x square y cube minus x cube cancelled, x cube got cancelled, and y square by y cube is y, so 2 by y dy equal to 0. We removed 1 by 3 from the equation. Therefore, what is the general solution? Integrating 1 by x plus 2 by x cube y square with respect to x. Take the terms which not containing x. Is there a term not containing x? What is that term?
Minus 2 by y.
Minus 2 by y. Okay, so minus 2 by y. dy equal to constant. Okay, therefore what is the general solution? Log x plus 2 by y square is constant. What is integration of 1 by x cube? Minus 1 by 2x square. Am I right? Okay.
Yes.
So minus 1 by 2x square. So minus 1 by 2x square minus 2 log y equal to constant. So you can cancel out 2 on both sides, and you can write it as, okay, so log minus equal to c plus 1 by x square y square. Can I write like this, or 1 by x square plus y square plus c? Is this right? Shall I proceed? Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll will be inserting 2 more pages. Okay, so just take one more problem. Problem number 4. Problem number 4. And if I write like this, xy sin xy plus cos xy into y dx plus xy sin xy minus cos xy into x dy equal to 0. So what is your first step? What is m here?
Take some thought.
What is m here? Xy square. Don't forget this y. Multiply this y to each term and then write xy square sin xy plus y into cos xy, and n is x square y sin xy minus x into cos of xy. Now find out the partial derivatives and compare. So what is dou m by dou y? You know partial differentiation. So xy square partial derivative is 2xy, and this is product of two functions. Okay, so consider xy square as one function, sin xy as another function. So then apply ub formula, u dash v plus ub dash. So 2xy into sin xy plus xy square into, what is derivative of sin xy? cos xy into derivative of xy with respect to y. What is derivative of xy with respect to y? X. So x into xy
X.
square is x. X into xy square is x square y square. Plus again this is product of two functions. Okay, so 1 into cos of xy plus y into minus sin of xy into and xy derivative with respect to y is x. Okay, so what is this simplification? Dou m by dou y is 2xy sin xy minus xy sin xy, that is xy sin xy. Okay, next plus cos xy plus x square y square into cos of xy. And similarly find out dou n by dou x. What is dou n by dou x? Please find out dou n by dou x is equal to, again it is product of two functions. Consider x square y as one function, sin xy as another function. So x square y derivative with respect to x is 2xy into sin of xy plus x square y into sin xy derivative with respect to x is cos of xy into xy derivative with respect to x is y. So y into x square y is x square y square minus x derivative with respect to x is 1. So cos of xy minus x into cos xy derivative is minus sin xy into xy derivative with respect to is y. So what is the simplification? So this is 2xy sin xy minus into minus plus xy sin xy. What is that value? 3xy sin of xy minus cos of xy plus x square y square cos of xy. Are these two same? Are these two same? Dou n by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. This implies that the given DE is non-exact. Because it is non-exact differential equation, we will be going for integrating factor. What will be integrating factor for it? Now how this differential equation is looking like? Y into function of xy minus x into another function of xy, right? Okay. But the given DE is in the form y into function of xy dx plus x into another function of xy dy equal to 0. Therefore, integrating factor is 1 by mx minus n. Compute this. What is m here? M is xy square after multiplying with y. Okay, after multiplying with y, xy square into sin xy plus cos xy plus y into cos xy plus y into cos xy. This is m. To this you multiply with x minus n. What is n? X square y sin xy minus x cos x minus x cos xy into y. Okay, mx minus ny is the integrating factor. Simplify this and tell me the integrating factor.
1 by xy cos xy.
Is this 1 by xy cos xy or 1 by 2 xy cos xy? These two gets cancelled. Xy cos xy minus or minus plus xy cos xy. So this is going to be actually 1 by 2 xy cos xy, and I said you can remove this constant and you can say 1 by xy cos xy is the integrating factor. Okay, so once you get the integrating factor, your next task is to compute convert the non-exact into exact. So by multiplying the integrating factor. Okay, so what is this? So multiply this. So what is that? Xy square, xy square plus sin x into sin xy plus y cos xy divided by okay 2xy cos xy dx plus uh, x square y sin x square y sin xy minus x cos xy divided by 2xy 2xy cos xy dy equal to 0, which is an exactity. So once it is exact, you can find out the general solution. Okay. So shall I proceed? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
So in your notebook, you cancel out the terms and tell me the simplification. So x gets cancelled. Already you can remove 2. So x gets cancelled. Y tan x. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
this implies that y tan xy plus y gets cancelled. Cos xy gets cancelled plus 1 by x
1 by
plus 1 by x dx plus what is the next term? Already we removed 2. Y gets cancelled. X square by x is x tan xy x tan xy. Next x gets cancelled. Cos xy gets cancelled. 2 we removed minus 1 by y minus 1 by y dy equal to 0, which is exact d. Therefore, what is the general solution? Integrating m with respect to x, y tan xy plus 1 by x dx, and take the terms of n not containing x. What is the term?
-1.
Minus 1 by y dy equal to constant. Now, can you tell me the integration of this? Y will be treated as constant. What is integration of tan xy? What is integration of tan ax?
Ln secant x.
Tan ax.
1 by a ln secant x.
1 by a log secant ax.
Ln secant x.
Instead of a, you are having y. Do you understand? So this is going to be 1 by y log secant xy plus 1 by x integration is log x okay, so minus log y equal to, because everything is in terms of logarithm, I would like to write it as log C. Okay, so this implies that okay, log of y gets cancelled. Log a plus log b is log ab. So log of x into secant xy minus log y equal to log c, or log of x secant xy by y equal to log c, or x secant xy equal to c. Is it okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so like this, okay, you can do the problems. So I shall give to some problems as homework. You try to solve those problems. Okay, solve the following DE. X square y minus 2xy square dx minus x cube minus 3x square y dy equal to 0. Okay, next 2xy 2x minus y into e power y by x dx plus y plus x into e power y by x dy. See, okay. Third one, y into xy plus 2x square y square dx x into xy minus x square y square dy equal to 0. X cube by cube x cube by cube plus x square y square plus xy plus 1 into y dx plus x cube by cube minus x square y square plus xy plus 1 into x dy. Okay, please solve the differential equations. If you have any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Without practicing, okay, you cannot directly solve the problem in examinations. Okay, so you should have a lot of practice, then only you will be able to identify the type of differential in examinations. As you have seen in first mid examinations, no one will tell you what type of differential equation it is. You have to identify the differential equation. That is the more challenging than solving the differential equation. If you know what type of differential equation it is, then only you will be able to solve the differential equation. If you can't identify the type of differential equation, then how can you solve the differential equation? Okay, so that identification of the type of differential equation will come through experience. Experience will come through practice. Okay, so please practice the problems, and remaining two types on integrating factors we will see in the next class.